Keep a yicky on me. I ain't tripping what my lawyer say. Bitch driving the Benz while I'm counting up the guapa life. Feds just hit a sweep, but I got money from my lawyer, man. Caught me with the yicky, fucked up and caught another case. Took it as a lesson, fucked up and learned the harder way. Only reason for my drug abuse, so I can ease my pain. I'm the greatest dad, cause I do whatever my daughter say. When I was inside the box, I dreamed about my daughter's face. Spent 500 on the belt, yeah, I got extended taste. If your pussy smelling good, then baby put it on my face. Feeling like Osama when I'm bouncing out with the K. Told my mama that I'm sorry when they got me in the rain.
Mi único deseo es poder ayudar a los que siempre dieron la mano cuando la ocupaba y nunca la espalda. Y mantengo el respaldo y mantengo ese mando que conseguí porque ese es mi trabajo. Vennos dando, quemando la mente, elevando el riñón enlodando.
Tengo dinero and I spent it on a new chain. Black 7 Series got me feeling like I'm Bruce Wayne. Every time I win, I gotta go and buy a new ring. All gold 45, I'm feeling like I'm Hussein. Hella headshots, watch me go and split his toupee. Too many zeros in my check, I'm getting too paid. Cut some niggas off cause they was acting hella two-faced. You was not a gangster, little nigga, you was two-faced. Compré un R15 pa' mis enemigos. Unos 3 cuetazos le pegaron al ombligo. Me cayeron en la casa, me quitó un cuerno de chivo. You talk about my brother, lo dejamos emprendido. My name is Billy, but she calling me a different name. In the foreign way, she got me swerving out of different lanes. Head held high, peas up when I was in the cage. Told my mama sorry, cause she know I'm never gonna change.
Soy considerado un piloto, me he visto filoso. A tu morra le encanta mi rollo porque yo no hago lo que hacen los otros. Y así me mantengo, con ella me entretengo, pero no gasto mi tiempo, me voy cuando vengo. Lo siento, no hay sentimientos, si no aprende la enseño.
All smiles when you see me. Rhyme with a fully, not a motherfucking semi. The stock hold 10, but the drum hold 50. Always with the baddest bitch whenever you see me. All black Benz, no 10 on the rental. You see me in the back, laid back, presidential. You hate me so bad cause you know I'm living better. Even your girl said that the frog hit it better. Mujeriego y también soy malandrín. Cuando está conmigo yo le pego bien machín. Ella grita y le gusta cuando yo le doy así. I bet that when she's with you she be thinking about me. Pay for my bitches now so she can have them looking nice. I love it when I hit it and she say her pussy mine. I swear she thinks she fancy cause she sipping on some wine. Had to smack her ass in public cause the bitch was out of line.
Vaso grande de soda lo da dando en el vuelo. Vignos mota pestosa en el leño. Humo suelta el viento, me siento en el cielo. Árabes pa' la tos y no ando enfermo, lo uso pa' afinar la voz y me siento mejor, bajo la influencia navegando.